All right, today we are moving into past tenses, and we're going to talk about the preterite tense. So preterite is your first simple past, and there is a simple acronym you guys can use to remember it. It's PICS, P-I-C-S. Okay, so just remember, it is a simple past. It's used to express complete, final, specific events. So for example, I went to the store yesterday. They ate a sandwich for lunch. One time, I went to Peru. We exercised 5 times. Okay, so it's specific. If you look at the acronym, it's past, interrupting actions, completed, specific. It's the whole action, okay? That is what preterite is for. So when you're telling a story, it's going to be the events of the story. It's not for background. It's not for the way things used to be or habits or anything like that. Preterite is for the details and the specifics, the specific events that happened in the past. Whether it's big or small, it's specificity that is important. That's what preterite is for, referring to specific things. Okay, so if you remember how to use it or when to use it, now you got to know how to use it. With AR verbs, they have their own set of endings. Okay, e con acento, haste, o con acento, amos, hasteis, aron. Those are going to be your normal AR endings. Okay. Hablar is an example. Hablé, hablaste, habló, hablamos, hablasteis, hablaron. So I spoke, you spoke, he spoke or you spoke, we spoke, you guys spoke, they spoke. It's very, very specific actions, okay? ER, IR verbs, they have a different set of endings like they always do. Y con acento, iste, yo, imos, isteis, yeron. A good example would be comer, comí, comiste, comió, comimos, comisteis, comieron. Those are how your basic regular preterite verbs work. Now, I got to warn you, preterite is kind of messy. There are a lot of irregularities, but again, if we find the patterns, we'll be good. A couple words and phrases that will jump out at you as you are learning when to use preterite or words to use with preterite. If you say things like then or entonces, de repente, deprisa, entonces, en cuanto, una vez, any phrase that refers to a specific time or event, you're going to want to use preterite with those words, okay? So you guys see these? It's going to be preterite. So go ahead and give it a shot. See if you can do regular verbs. Check the practice right there and see how it goes.